Hi everyone, how is everything going? What I'm going to be doing now is just quickly showing you how to get into the students area. If you go to our webpage, stpaulsenglish.es, you can go to students area and click on it. When you click on that, you will come to our online platform where you need a username and a password. If you haven't got one already, please send a message to our administration team. You will log in, and when you log in, you will see this lovely page where at first sight you have down the side, this may appear or may not appear, but it's practically exactly the same as what we can see in the middle of the dashboard. You have some quick start videos where you can see how to do things in or on the platform. As you can see, the notice boards, the calendars, the tasks, etc, etc. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go over very quickly something essential, and that is how to do your homework. Now, if we go to the study area and you go to open access and click on it, here you come up with all the different activities that we can find on our platform. Teachers will give you a quick code or a number. An example would be 1433. And when the teachers give you that number, you can put it in there and you can access the activity. Now be careful if 2 come up, because this one is not 1433, this is 2143, but this one is. Now you click on that and you will have an introduction. You'll have an example, which is, for example, matching pairs, where you have not an example, an exercise, sorry, as an example, which is matching pairs, where you click on one and connect the sentences. Remember, when we get to the bottom, just press grade and the grades will come up in your grade book. Something else that we can come across, I'm just going back to show you the previous page. Here we also have other activities, which are multiple choice activities, fill in the gaps, and proofreading activities. Proofreading activities are quite complicated. Here in this sentence, it tells us that we have to add one and also delete a word. So you have to go over and you have to find which ones to add and which ones to delete. Again, remember, at the end of each page, grade the exercise. We also have here lots of things that you can look at. You can go over it yourself. And we have here, for example, private chats, group chats, and also notice boards. We have a library where we have lots of different things to access. You can do this on your own at some point. And you also have other quick start videos, and there's also the training center. Now, if we go back into the top right hand corner, we have our grades, where we can access what we've done, how long it's taken us, and the grade that we got. We usually tell people to repeat if they get under the 60% or 70%, which is the pass mark. So you can just go over it on another day and obviously improve your English. So this is how we access the web page. This is how we access the exercises. We hope you have a great course, and if you need anything, please just contact us. Thanks a lot.